So here's a look at what I had in my protein drawer recently. I always have tofu on hand because our family really loves tofu. I know a lot of people say, oh, soybeans are bad for you and stuff like that. But honestly, I've been eating tofu for like 40 years and I've never had a problem. And if you check out some of the studies, actually they're connecting eating soybeans with helping reduce breast cancer risk and with menopause, especially women like with hot flashes and things like that when they eat about, I think it's a half of a cup of soybeans every day. They actually don't have very many menopause symptoms. So if you are going through menopause, that's definitely something to check out is tofu or edamame. Actually here, I also had this in there too. These edamame beans from Trader Joe's. These are so good. I've been obsessed with sauteing these in a little bit of vegan butter and then serving them with those Brussels sprouts. And it's so good. It's like a really healthy and delicious meal because these are packed with protein. This has 9 grams of protein per serving. There's 3 servings in a container. And then when I pair it with the roasted Brussels sprouts are a cruciferous vegetable, which is also like a leafy green. So it replaces having to eat like necessarily maybe a salad or something like that. So it's basically beans and greens together and it's just so good. And then some other proteins that I love that are vegan is tempeh. If you've never cooked with tempeh, this is definitely something to try. There's a few reasons why I like this. This is a soybean product as well. It's fermented soybeans that are pressed together like this. But check out the amount of protein. Okay, one package is 2.5 servings. And honestly, I've eaten a whole package before. But one serving has 16 grams of protein and the whole package is 43 grams of protein. Okay, so if you're trying to get high protein into your diet on a plant-based diet and fiber, let's look at the fiber. 16 grams of protein in the whole package or of fiber. So that is so much protein and fiber in one thing. You just have to saute this with like some soy sauce or your favorite type of sauce. And it's just really good. It's just very versatile too. You could put this in sandwiches, eat it with rice, a lot of things. So I have 3 packages here. I'll try and do some recipes with tempeh. In fact, maybe I'll do that today. We shall see. Now, another thing for kids, Trader Joe's is actually, oops, Trader Joe's has these organic chicken nuggets, and I always try and get organic meat for the people that eat meat in my family, and these have been popular. All you have to do is basically heat these up, and they're ready to go. I serve them with ketchup, and they're really delicious, supposedly. I haven't tried them, but our family eats these up a lot. So this is a really quick and easy protein to serve, especially if you're squeamish about cooking meat. This is just like really easy. You just put it in the oven or the air fryer, and that's it. All right, since I have that oven on, honestly, I should just heat these up too. I can have this for lunch. I'm gonna have these Brussels sprouts with those edamame again. It was so good. So right now I'm gonna put these proteins back into my protein bin. You always want to do the first in, first out method. So like whichever ones you bought earliest, put those at the top so that you use those the soonest. So this one expires on March 8th, this one, and then this one is the latest expiring. So that way you don't actually end up spoiling a lot of food because it goes bad before you use it. So I'm going to put these tempehs back in there, the edamame, and the chicken nuggets. So now when I know, okay, I always like to meal plan like around a protein. Those are the proteins I'm going to focus on right now. I do have some frozen proteins in the freezer that I'm going to also thaw, but I usually just pull those out like the day before instead of thawing them like this. Okay, so with cast iron cooking, you always want to heat up your skillet right when you first start cooking because it takes a little while to heat up, but you want it to be hot because it takes a while to heat up. So you don't want to like put food into it and then basically think you're cooking, but you're not really cooking because it's cold. So I like to have everything in place. The French term for that is called mise en place, which means everything in place. And then when it's time, I can just throw everything into the skillet and it's ready. So let's get a spoon. Okay, This butter is gonna help me determine if the pan's hot. Just gonna do like about a tablespoon of butter in here. I've been so into like very easy cooking lately because I don't know if you're like me, but I've been really busy. I'm also pregnant right now. I'm like 20 weeks pregnant and I don't have a lot of time to be and energy to be like sitting here like doing a bunch of elaborate cooking. So I love meals that are like 3, 4, 5 ingredients. And this is definitely like a 5-ingredient meal. The Brussels sprouts are over there. They're already roasted. I'll show you what that looks like at the end. I'm gonna put them in the skillet, but this is starting to melt. So let's dump these in there. And I only saute these for like a minute or two. The more you saute them, the drier they get, and they're not as good when they're super dry. This is mostly just to like cook them with the flavorings and heat them up. You can actually eat these raw. It says on the package that they're fully cooked, so that's pretty cool too. You have to add them to like salads or something. Okay, so let's do about a teaspoon of garlic powder. And you want to stir that in right away because what'll happen is it will start to burn. So I'm just trying to toss the garlic powder in with the butter so that it's not directly sitting on the hot skillet. And this looks good. Okay, let's add our Brussels sprouts. So this is what the Brussels sprouts look like. These are roasted in just a little olive oil. And I don't think I've even put salt on this dish yet. I will. I'm going to show you what this looks like. Yeah, and look at that. My husband really liked this. He loves eating like vegan food. It's so funny because a lot of times people will be like, he's just eating the vegan food because he loves you. But honestly, the other day he's like, yeah, I ordered tofu at the restaurant, and I was like, oh, okay, cool. Like he loves stuff like this. And he really loves vegetables, honestly. So as much of a meat eater as he is, he like really loves salads and veggies. And this is just a really great combination. He loves the flavor of roasted Brussels sprouts. And then these beans just taste so delicious. So let's put this into a bowl. Yum, I wish you could smell this. The garlic smells so good. All right. Well, thanks for hanging out with me in my Sunday reset today. I hope that you enjoyed cooking with me and resetting my fridge. I hope I inspired you to meal prep and get ready for this upcoming week. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.